Hello everyone, myself Manoj Kumar. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Learn World. Today I am coming back with a new regulation from the UGC that which include some of the rules and regulations to get appointed in colleges and universities as a assistant professor, and also regulations and rules for the promotion from assistant professors to next level, that is associate and to get professor. So it includes some of the main contents and I am going to highlight those contents and remaining are going to be shown in the presentation. So this regulation mainly highlights about about minimum qualification for appointment of teachers in universities and colleges and measures for maintenance of standards in higher education, and PhD degree will be mandatory for direct recruitment of assistant professor in universities from 1/7/2021. That this regulation mainly consists of, it gives a highlight that to be get appointed in a university, then a candidate should be completed his PhD degree, and to get appointment in universities, then he must should be qualified in NET, or he must completed PhD degree from the reputed universities. So this is announced on June 13th of 2018 from the New Delhi, and it will be starts from 1/7/2021. So in this consists of, in order to attract and retain the best quality teachers and other academic staff in universities and colleges, the UGC brought out new regulations. This was disclosed by Union Minister of Human Resource Development, that these regulations are disclosed by Union Minister for Human Resource Development, and it is going to be followed by the UGC. So there are some of the regulations and rules, and I am going to read one by one, and whichever is more important I am going to highlight and going to be elaborate with some information. So first one is incentives to teachers as provided in the earlier regulations of 2010 and subsequent amendments have been retained. These include incentives for MPhil and PhD. It will explain that the facilities, that is incentives given to teacher who are going to be who have been appointed as a assistant professor, those are going to be removed, and those facilities are going to give or facilitated only to those teachers who have completed MPhil and PhD. And the second one is API based PBAS system has been removed. A new simplified teacher evaluation grading system has been introduced, and research score added to universities to improve research output. That whoever working as an assistant professor or associate or professor in the universities, those grading system will be evaluated and the grades are given to universities. So universities are going to uh, give support to uh, give support to the faculties to get more involved in the research. And the fourth one is, for the first time provision for promotion in colleges will be up to professors level. In the UG, that is up to degree college, the promotion will be extended from assistant professor up to the professor level. Special provision for recruitment of assistant professor in universities and colleges for PhD degree holders from a university institution in the top 500 global rankings has been made. And the next one is, the regulations mandate introduction of 1 month induction program for newly recruited assistant professors in universities, colleges, and higher education institutions. That if you going to be appointed as an assistant professor in university, college, or higher education, then in the starting of 1 month they are going to be introduced for a induction program. That in that program, in the 1 month, they are going to teach how to going to be teach to the universities, college, and higher education institutions, students, and how to conduct a research in the colleges or universities. And the seventh and very important concept is PhD degree has been made mandatory for promotion to assistant professor in colleges from 1/7/2021, and PhD degree will be mandatory for direct recruitment to assistant professors in universities from 1/7/2021. From the same date of 1/7/2021, there are mainly two regulations are announced, that if you are appointed as an assistant professor in the degree colleges, then if you want to get promotion, then you must and should have to be completed PhD degree. And presently, if you want to get appoint as a assistant professor in the university, then you must and should be completed PhD degree. That previously in the universities and colleges, and in the universities also, to get a job as an assistant professor, then NET, SET and PhD is allowed. But from now onwards, NET and SET are not only necessary, PhD is also necessary to get as a appoint as an assistant professor in universities. And the eighth one is, for the first time, weightages are assigned for CAS in respect of MOOCs and e-content in universities and colleges. Ninth one is, research clusters will be created in the universities within the state for the sharing research facilities. That within the institutions and within the universities, one group of research clusters, that is group of researchers, will be created, which were going to help to all the faculties of universities and colleges to get improve the research scores in their universities and in their colleges. And the 10th one is, up to 10% of the existing sanctioned strength of professors in universities shall be appointed as senior professors in the universities. Senior professor in universities will be appointed through direct recruitment and through promotion under CAS. And the 11th one is, universities will accord permission and provide need-based facilities to college teachers to supervise MPhil and PhD scholars. University is going to be provide guidelines to those college teachers who have appointed as an assistant professor to get supervise PhD and MPhil scholars in the now onwards. And last one is, special category of medal winners in Olympics, Asian Games and Commonwealth Games in eligibility criteria for assistant directory, college directory, physical education and sports and deputy directory. And physical education and sports in universities have been made to promote sports in universities and colleges. These all are the rules. And last one note point is, PhD degree shall be mandatory requirement for direct recruitment to the post of assistant professor in university with respect to from 1st July 2021. That is, if a government is called for assistant professor, then NET and SET is not only sufficient to get appoint as a assistant professor in the university, then we should complete our PhD degree before 1st July 2021. And however, master's degree with NET or PhD will be continued to be the minimum eligibility requirement for a direct recruitment to the post of assistant professor in college. That as before, in degree colleges, NET or PhD and also the state eligibility test is also sufficient to get appointed as an assistant professor in degree colleges. So these all are the rules and regulations that UGC is going to be announced, and these rules are going to be affected from 1/7/2021 onwards. Thank you friends. If you like our video, then please subscribe to our channel Learn World. Thank you.